Hello everyone, thank you for stopping on my channel. From this video we are going to start a new project named for Contacts Manager, and this is going to be used to manage contacts, uh, manage categories of the contacts, contact details along with the export and import functionality. So for the technologies we are going to be using as Laravel, Inertia and Vue.js. And here you can see on the this side the npm run command is executed, and here we have executed the php artisan serve command. So in this video we are going to go with the demonstration, and then from the next video we are going to actually start coding this project. So I'm going to use spec filler to autofill the fields and register myself. And because we are using Inertia, so it's a single page application or SPA. And on the home page or the dashboard we have contacts management, and here we have the details about the contacts, category, name, email, phone, address and actions, which are edit and delete contact. And we have another tab that is categories. I have seeded two categories, personal and general. I can delete it. This is the complete CRUD. I can add a category, and the only field that is required is the name of the category. So I'm going to create another category, and you can see that name and then category created successfully, and we can delete that category as well. So I'm going to delete that, and also I can edit. So let's say personal with double L, and I'm going to update that. You can see right here. And now on the dashboard we can create, import and export contacts. This accepts CSV files. So I'm going to create a contact. In order to create a contact, you must choose a category for that and pass the name, email, phone number and address fields. And this can be changed to anything we want. So I'm going to use fact filler and auto-complete that, and click on submit, and you can see here one contact has been created in the category that is general. So I'm going to go back to categories, and under total contacts you can see one item is over there, which is the contact that we just created. We can export the contacts, so I'm going to click on export, and it's going to pop up a window where I can save this XLS file. We can store that in a CSV as well as XLS, but for now we have first the XLS format. From the code we can change it to anything we want. So yeah, I do want to replace that, and I have the XLS file being stored, and I can open that once that is done. So that is the functionality that we will include in this application. Also this can be like we can have an admin panel where this can be managed from. We can have more features, but for now we are going to stick with these features, and we are going to create a single page application like this using Laravel, Vue, Inertia and Tailwind CSS. So I will see you in the next video where we will get started on this project.